Today we got a video from Bodycam, and the title of the video is "Her 911 call for help backfired miserably."
A woman called the police to remove her boyfriend, but the call backfired after officers learned what really happened.
What's going on?
So today, or whatever, we've been into it for the past couple of days. You know what I'm saying? Huh? So he punches me. I threw my baby bike at him. He came back in the house. He punched me.
Why is she yelling? Holy shit!
My face, man. Look at my face. He punched me in my face, and I am pressing charges. He has to go.
Ma'am, stay over here. Ma'am, stay with me. We're gonna keep you guys separated. He'll talk to them. Ma'am,
you gonna put your hands on me? You gonna put your hands on me? You're going to jail.
Come over here. He'll take care of him.
You're going to jail. Bye.
Let's go to the side of the car. Just kind of break that contact here. All right. So let me get some information from you.
Yep. I threw the bike at his car, ma'am, because he pushed me. Okay. He came back. I tried to close the door. He kicked the motherfucking door back in and punched me the up.
So this was happening. So you're outside. You throw the bike. You go back inside.
He hopped out the car. He pulled back up. He hopped out the car. He kicked the motherfucking door. I tried to hurry up and close the door on him. So he hurried up. He kicked the motherfucking door. He ran in and punched me in my motherfucking face.
Okay. And this just happened?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me see where he hit you at. I'm going to take a picture so I can add it to our report here.
Yep. And I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Do you have any other injuries, any other cuts, bruises, anything?
I know my motherfucking tooth is chipped back here. He hit me so motherfucking hard the other motherfucking day, and I didn't call the motherfucking police, okay?
So we have been out here before?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Stay over here.
I'm cold as hell. My baby's in the bathtub.
Okay. All right. I'll walk up there with you.
You goofy ass. All right. Hold it. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. You talking about, ho? So no, ain't we going? Look, that damaged the kid. How was that damaged the property? Yeah. When I put him the out.
Hey,
get the on, ho.
Let's go. Let's get your child.
You mean get his ass out of here. This ass might leave this
Where's your child?
No, he don't.
Yeah, he does.
His ass like you a motherfucking lie. You a lie, ho. You talking about you ain't paid in this motherfucker.
Where's the we're worried about? Where's the child?
What you talking about?
Let's worry on that.
Tired of your ass putting your motherfucking hands on me. You talking about uncircumcised, bloody dick having ass. Get the fuck out, because I don't feel comfortable here. He put his motherfucking hands on me. I don't feel comfortable. Okay. He has to go.
False.
He has to go. How was it a false report? When he literally, I ain't gonna lie, officer. I did throw the bike. You hear me? I'm gonna tell the truth. I did, ma'am. You hear me? I did just like this. Look. I did like this. Before I could even get the door unlocked, he
now make it make sense. Make it make sense.
Punched me in my motherfucking face.
Make sense. Make it make sense, man.
See, I went just like this, officer.
Make it make sense.
He said, what the He came back, kicked my motherfucking door, and punched me the up. And that's when I called. What a kick.
Did you get your daughter out of the tub?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just make sure. She's okay up there.
Yeah, she's good. But I need him to go, though. I don't feel comfortable. I feel unsafe.
We're waiting on another unit.
Okay. On GD, this ain't your shit, man.
We need to just keep you guys.
On GD? On GD? Oh, boy. See, so we got gang members in here? GD, Gangster Disciples. Okay. What? I'm wondering why she talking like that, so rough around the edges. Like, I'm like, damn. She talking crazy. Like, yo. She said on GD. Like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, she's good. But I need him to go, though. I don't feel comfortable. I feel unsafe.
We're waiting on another unit.
Okay. On GD, this ain't your shit, man.
We need to just keep you guys separated. Okay. We can do what we need to do, but it's
pressing charges. Yeah, whatever.
I know.
Ma'am, press charges to the fullest extent. Ma'am, can you get shit out my house, please?
I think we just got another unit that pulled up.
Yep. There you go.
Gotta go to jail.
Wait.
I can't do that. Yep.
Separated.
Come on, man.
Put your motherfucking hands on my house. He got.
She thought she was gonna pull a fast one? Oh, nah.
He got to get out. So you mean to tell me he not getting locked up and he punched the fuck me?
I ain't done shit.
Oh, my baby. He got to go to jail, too. He just my tooth is cracked in the back.
All that.
And you mean to tell me he not going to jail?
We got
You got crack. You got crack. Let me go pee right there. And he got crack on, sir. Now what?
I got crack on me.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Turn around. Right. Now, leave it alone. Hey, no. Sir, my daughter up there. All right.
Hey, can you get my house keys from him, please? Get my house keys from him. This is my house. This is my house, sir.
Okay.
He is totally disrespectful, sir.
Okay.
He been putting his motherfucking hands on me. I've been trying to tell him, no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. You just stuck your motherfucking in my face. I'll give y'all a whole motherfucking case. Stop playing with me.
Right.
Stop playing with me.
Right.
Stop playing with me. What else scales that you got, man?
Right. Come out. What?
What do we got going on? Is he trying to leave?
She needs to be arrested. That's
Oh, well, let's do that then.
Man, you see what I'm saying?
Jail. Get the out. Hey, take it out. Hey, take it. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, man, she can't put her hand on
What?
She didn't put up.
You get me locked up. You get me locked up. You get me locked up.
Man, let's go this
Stop.
way.
Hey, officer. Hey, stop.
Just, hey, you need to come back here. I'm going to put you in handcuffs, buddy. No, just back up, back up, back up.
Hey, you're about to go to the ground.
You really gonna let me out? You really gonna let me out?
Okay, but this is making it worse.
Look, I ain't doing nothing trying to interfere.
Okay, stand. You can stand there. Just don't come up on me, man.
Go to the ground.
He put his hands on me.
Take you to the ground. Stop.
Just relax. You're making it worse. Can't reach.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, it's the right place,
Stop.
Call Joe.
No, I understand.
Stop.
But we're trying to get this.
What you mean? She called Joe.
Stop. You're,
Let me go.
you're just making it.
I don't give a.
Okay.
He put his motherfucking hands on me, and I'm going to jail.
Yes, because you did lies.
On my baby. I'm telling them everything.
Don't give a what? Tell him. Tell him.
Here. We'll just
What's wrong with you? Chill out.
give her some space, man. You can report if you want to.
Oh,
We
yeah,
just need some
absolutely.
space. We got shoes that she can slide on.
My baby.
You're all right.
Oh, my baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Straight like that.
Upstairs. I got her.
Okay, I'm just worried about.
Hey, my baby upstairs.
Okay. No, I got it.
I mean you, not okay.
Hey, you. Come search her. I've been to look. You have some shoes.
Yeah, do you got a pair of shoes we can grab?
My shoes on. I'm good.
Come on, man.
I'm good.
She done that shit. Search her. She done that.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
Figure it out. Come on. This nigga just put his hands on me. I'm going to jail. All y'all.
Where are you parked? Hold on to her.
Can I get some water real quick?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give me a cup out of my thing, please?
Give me 1 second, because we got to have both of us on you real quick. Once he gets back, I can grab you something.
I don't get no bitch. You sell crack. I gotta tell them everything. I gotta tell them where you get the crack from and all that shit.
This car is mine. It's yours? Yeah. Oh, my bad.
I'll call y'all, but I'm going to jail because he put his motherfucking hands on me. So, ma'am, I'm asking you, why the he not in jail? If he put his motherfucking hands on me, I might too up right now. Why isn't he going to jail? That's the whole reason why I called.
Stop.
That's the whole reason why I called. You ass.
You want to...
And we end up here.
Can I get my phone so I can call my grandmother to let her know that I'm in jail?
I don't know who has it, but we'll get it for you. In a bucky, okay?
What do you got? That's the battery.
Y'all funny as hell, my baby. So he's not going to jail. He hits me in my face and cracks my tooth, and I'm. Get the away from me.
Get away from the car.
Get the
Away from the car.
I call y'all for help, but I don't get no help. So now I gotta get.
Nah, she tried to pull a fast one, man. Good work by the officers, man. Good work. Good work. She tried to pull a fast one. Like, what? You the one causing an issue, and you gonna call the cops? You know what I'm saying? Nah, they did good work. But in all reality, this relationship is doomed, okay? They're both toxic. They both probably be beating on each other in reality. You know, both, gang affiliated. She's saying it, he's saying it. Like, damn, like this is just, you know, I don't think she lying about, you know, that he sell, you know what I mean? She's probably attracted to the bad boys and stuff like that or whatever, because she's rough around the edges herself. So that makes sense, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is just, it's gonna, how can I put this? To raise a child in this environment, you're automatically setting the child up for failure. Now, it's one thing to, you know, maybe be lower income or whatever and have to live in a rougher neighborhood or whatever. That's one thing, right? But even if that's the case, you can still give the child a healthy household. You know what I mean? Something positive to look forward to. And the way that they be arguing and cops coming in and out and stuff, you're setting the child up for failure, man.
So when I get released, I gotta go right back over to this bitch ass. Don't touch me, you please say I don't touch me.
I have to hold on.
I don't want him to touch me.
I have to hold on to you. I'm not grabbing you or nothing. I just have to hold on. You escort you over here.
Never been through no shit like this. Get the off me. I call y'all for help, and I get locked up, and then I get released, and I'm gonna have to go right back over there to the same bitch ass. And you serious? I call y'all because I'm being abused, and I get locked up. So as soon as I get released from this bitch, I go back home. I gotta deal with this same abusive ass.
What's your name, young lady?
I don't got one.
You don't have one? All right, well,
You
here's the
figure it
deal.
out when you fingerprint.
Well, here's the deal. What's your charges? Do we know?
Domestic battery.
Aggravated battery
resistance.
Sort of keeping her? Yes. Yeah.
Keeping me. I called y'all for help because I'm getting abused in front of my daughter. But y'all locked me up and then keep the abuser with my motherfucking baby?
Why are you yelling at her?
Out of here. Then y'all leave this ass in my crib with my motherfucking daughter. Ooh, I ain't never been through no shit like this. Y'all got the weakest officers in mama I ever seen.
Stacy, are you ready?
I do not understand how the y'all let this study walk up on my face and I'm going to jail. This the weakest I've ever seen in my life.
I'm just pat you down real quick.
No, I don't shit on me.
I know. I just have to pat you down before you come into the facility.
Study let this man walk up on me.
Say what you say, brother.
Y'all ass ain't help. Y'all ain't do shit. Out here, goofy ass police officer. On my soul. On. I called y'all to tell y'all this, put his motherfucking hands on me and I ain't go to jail. Out of here. Y'all ass ain't do shit. But let that motherfucker with my motherfucking 2-year-old daughter. Out of here. He don't live there. So why the fuck y'all leave my door open? Out of here.
The woman was charged with domestic battery, aggravated battery, and resisting or obstructing police.
She keeps saying my baby, right? But it's their child, because the guy said the same thing when they went to go chase her up the stairs, because when she found out that she was getting locked up, she went and started running up the stairs, and then the police was like, yo, and the dude said, yo, nah, my baby upstairs. And then so it's not your baby, it's y'all baby. Yeah, it's both of you guys. Come on, man. This is doomed, okay? This relationship is doomed, and it's just gonna be a revolving door, man. Someone has to break the curse, man. Someone has to break the curse. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.